Looking for great slow cooker? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best offers you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, the Elite May 1.5 QT Mini Slow Cooker is perfect for cooking and serving small one-pot meals and appetizers such as soups, stews, meatballs, dips, and sauces. It's a great kickoff for a fondue party, or where everyone prepares their favorite dip in their 1.5 QT by Elite May. Number 2, the Elite Cuisine 2-quart Slow Cooker is the perfect appliance for cooking and serving meals for a small family. It features defrost, low and high temperature settings perfect for making chilies, stews, sauces and even a 2-pound by Elite Cuisine. Number 3, Elite MST-250XS Electric Slow Cooker, Adjustable Temp, Entrees, Sauces, Stews and Dips, Dishwasher Glass Lid and Ceramic Pot, 1.5 quarts capacity, Stainless Steel Premium Pack, by Elite May. For more great slow cookers options, and real-time offers, just click the links in the description below.